Since 1997, Precision Automotive and Transmission has been the trusted name for expert auto repair in Paris, Texas. As a family-owned and operated shop, we take pride in delivering top-quality service with honesty, reliability, and unmatched expertise. From routine maintenance to major repairs, our ASE-certified technicians handle it all. We specialize in alignments, brake service, tire replacements, timing belts, transmission rebuilds, engine repairs, water pumps, axles, drivetrains, and radiator repairs, all with state-of-the-art equipment and a commitment to excellence. Voted the #1 auto repair shop in Paris and Reno, Texas, we stand by our reputation for precision, quality, and customer satisfaction. We service all makes and models, ensuring every vehicle leaves our shop running at its best. At Precision Automotive and Transmission, your car gets the care and expertise it deserves. Ready for trusted professional auto care? Call Precision Automotive and Transmission today at 903-784-7362 to schedule your service. Where precision meets performance every time.